You may have heard of ChatGPT or Gemini, but Claude by Anthropic is a different AI assistant, one that's designed to be thoughtful, accurate, and genuinely useful for the kind of work teachers do every day. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the platform so you know exactly what you're looking at the first time you open it. Head to Claude.ai. You'll need to create a free account, just an email address and a password. The free plan gives you solid access and is a great place to start. There is a paid plan called Claude Pro that gives you more usage and access to more powerful models, but you don't need it to get real value out of this. Once you're in, here's what you're looking at. On the left is your sidebar. We'll walk through each item there in a moment. In the center is the main chat window. This is where you type your prompts and where Claude responds. On the right side of the chat bar, you'll see the model selector. That's where you can switch between different versions of Claude. For most classroom tasks, the default is perfectly fine, so don't worry about this for now. Now let's quickly walk through the sidebar items so you know what each one is for. Chats is simply your conversation history. Every time you start a new conversation with Claude, it gets saved here. You can scroll back through it, search it, and pick up right where you left off. Projects is a way to organize related conversations into one place. Think of it like a folder. If you're building out a whole unit on ecosystems, you can keep all of those Claude conversations together in one project instead of hunting through your chat history. Artifacts is where Claude puts structured outputs, things like documents, tables, or formatted content, so you can view, edit, and copy them cleanly without them getting lost in the conversation. We'll go deeper on this in a future video. Code is a specialized view for working with programming or technical content. Design is for generating and working with visual content. Think diagrams, simple graphics, or visual layout. Now, before you type anything in the chat bar, notice the small plus button on the left side of it. Click that and you get a menu of extra tools you can attach to any conversation. Add files or photos lets you upload a document, image, or file and have Claude read it, summarize it, or respond to it directly. Great for things like pasting in a rubric and asking Claude to help revise it. Take a screenshot lets you capture what's on your screen and share it with Claude. Useful if you want to ask a quick question about something you're looking at. Add to project lets you attach the current conversation to one of your projects right from the chat bar. Skills and connectors are more advanced integrations, ways to connect Claude to other tools and platforms. Research puts Claude into a deeper search mode where it looks across multiple sources before responding. Think of it as a more thorough, sourced answer when you need one. Web search, when turned on, lets Claude pull in current information from the internet. Helpful when you need something timely that Claude might not have in its training. And use style lets you adjust how Claude writes. More formal, more conversational, shorter, longer. Useful once you're comfortable with the basics. Let me show you what a basic interaction looks like. I'm going to type a prompt that a lot of teachers find immediately useful. I teach 7th grade science. Give me 3 discussion questions about the water cycle that work for different reading levels. Notice I'm not just typing give me discussion questions. I'm telling Claude my grade level, my subject, and exactly what I need the questions to do. That's the most important habit to build with any AI tool. The more context and specificity you give it, the better the output you'll get back. And you can see Claude generates a thoughtful response in just a few seconds. You can copy this, paste it into your lesson plan, ask Claude to adjust the difficulty, or keep the conversation going with a follow-up. A couple of things worth knowing before you dive in. Claude is excellent at drafting, summarizing, brainstorming, and giving feedback. It's not a search engine. It doesn't pull live information from the web by default, so always verify anything factual before sharing it with students. And don't put student names or personal information into your prompts. Keep it general, just like you would with any online tool. That's the platform. Simple, clean, and ready to use the moment you sign up. In the next video, we'll go deeper into specific ways teachers are using Claude, from lesson planning to writing rubrics to giving feedback on student work.